Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm sure we all love our headbands. For those that have not tried it, well, it is well. So I want to do a nose mask that will complement my headband, because now nose mask is in trend. So you can always have a nose mask that would complement your headband. Now you get a round object that is like 10, when you take your tape rule and measure, is like 10 to 9 inches wide. Then you place it on your material that you want to use for your nose mask, and then you trace it all round. You can see the line, so I'm going to cut this out. So this is it. Then you fold it this way. After folding this way, you fold it again. Please ensure that it is equal. Then all this close end, you are going to slit it. So now I'm going to cut this. Remember, it's folded. This is the circle. Fold it. Ensure that it is equal. Then fold it the other way, like a cone. If you look at this, you can see that this part is closed. You will need to slit it. This other part too is closed. Also, this part is closed. You would cut it open. Cut that part. Now this other part. I don't know if they'll be having like 4 pieces. One, 2, 3, and 4. Now you bring these two together. The right side and the right side should face each other, because you are going to sew them inside out. This is the side you are going to sew. This curved part is what you are going to sew. By the time you sew it, you'll be having something like this. You can see. It's just this part. After you have sewn the two sides, this and this, now you open this one. This is the right side, this is the left side. So the right side of the two will face each other. Ensure you set it well. You can see. So we are going to sew it round. You set it well and you sew. Ensure that this middle part that you sew, this middle part is meeting the other middle part. Then you can now sew the edges round. Now I've sewn it round and I left like 5 centimeter space here, so that I'll be able to turn it to the right side, because this is the opposite side. So turn it out. So this is it. Look for something like a biro to push this other part out. Insert it through the open end. Push it out. So now you fold this part. You fold it inside and sew. Don't just sew it like this. The thread will be removing. So you fold it in just a little bit. You can see. Then you sew it. You can take your pressing iron and iron the edge so that it's neatly laid. So this is what I have. You can see. So the next thing to do is to put our elastic. You can use any elastic color of your choice. So you measure like 6 inches. Measure like 6 inches and divide it into 2. Here is my 6 inches. You can see I did not cut it out. When I said divide by 2, please, I didn't mean cut it out. It should be folded like this, because we are going to sew the edge of our marks and insert this. See, this is what I'm saying. We'll fold this like this because we'll be passing this through. We'll be passing it through like that. So look at the edge. You can fold it like this and then you sew. Please don't sew it too close so that there will be space for the elastic to enter, or just insert your elastic and then you fold. Ensure that your sewing doesn't stay on the elastic. If it stays on the elastic, then your elastic, you won't be able to pull it. So now you are going to tie this together. Ensure you make it very tight. Trim it a bit. Now you are going to pass this side inside so that we don't see where you have notched it, or you have tied it, I mean. So we've done for one side. You do the same thing for the other side and your nose mask is ready. So that's that for the nose marks. So please kindly try your own. We have different methods in which we use, but this is one of the simplest methods. There are different shapes of nose marks, so they have different methods in which we make them, but this is just one of the simple methods. So kindly try yours and send in your assignment. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.